Hello, and welcome to Physics 101, an introduction to physics. My name is Donna Blakeney, and I will be your instructor for the next few weeks as you move through this course. I wanted to introduce myself as well as the lessons so that you are better prepared for continuing with the course. Down the left-hand navigation, you will find the course homepage, the syllabus page, the lessons and labs tabs, as well as the gradebook. The gradebook is where we'll post not only your grade on the specific assignment, but also additional feedback to help you as you move forward, and the final grade for the course once you are done. In the syllabus page, once you click on that, you will find additional information on the course itself, which includes your course materials, your description, your requirements, and the grading procedures. If we look at the course materials, Rio Salado has been trying to get additional online books to help our students cut down on their fees, and this course happens to be one of them, that it is an online course textbook. With each week, you will find lessons and labs, as you will need to complete one of each week, and they are set up the same way. You'll have a list of the lessons and make sure you're in the correct one. When you do get to the correct lesson, you'll see from your instructor, which are additional notes that I have put together. In those, you'll either see a picture or a video, and below that will be attachments that I found were necessary for you to have for this lesson. Below the instructor notes, you'll see lesson objectives and lesson requirements. The requirements are the assignments that you must complete for that particular lesson. And then either below that or above that will be Open My Lessons, which will take you to the actual lesson itself. And each one of these lessons are set up the same way as well, where you will have your required readings and then videos and your assignments list. You will go into the Check Your Prior Knowledge, which are simple questions to help see where you're starting out before starting the lesson. And then Focusing Your Learning, which is the bulk of the lesson itself, which will include the lesson, any additional videos that you should watch, and any additional activities to better focus the knowledge that you just read through. When you scroll all the way down to the bottom of each lesson or lab, you will find the Assessing Your Learning, which in week 1 includes the 3 initial assignments that need to be completed by Wednesday of the first week of the course. That includes the syllabus acknowledgement, the syllabus quiz, and the welcome letter responses. Please be sure to complete all 3 by Wednesday of the first week. In week 1 also, once you are done all of the lesson, you will have the week 1 quiz. And then finally, your summary of your learning, which will take all of this learning and focus it on what you need to know as you move on to the next lesson. And when we click on the Labs tab, you will see the same setup of the From Your Instructor, the objectives, requirements, and the Open My Lab. When you finish the lab at the very bottom again, you will find Assessing Your Learning, which will include your lab quiz. Please keep in mind that there are 2 labs. One is in week 5 that will include a formal lab report. So please refer to the lab report format that I have attached for those particular weeks. So that brings us back to the course homepage, and should you have any additional information, please be sure to message me in the message center, and I'll be more than happy to assist you, and good luck with the course as you move through it.